Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting and signing in. Make sure the Firestick is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone or PC so file transfers and downloads work. Once done, open Settings and enable necessary options. For official apps, just use the App Store. For sideloading, enable Install Unknown Apps for the Downloader tool. Do this now so you avoid interruptions later. This step saves time because account-linked purchases and permissions remove authentication prompts during app installs. Next, you open the Amazon App Store and search for the streaming app you want. Type the exact name to avoid similar listings. Tap Get or Download and watch for required permissions. Granting location or storage only when needed reduces privacy risk. Once installed, press the menu button to move the app to your home row so you can launch it quickly. If the app requires a sign-in, have your credentials ready. This streamlines setup and explains why app placement matters for daily use. Finally, you either finish the official app setup or sideload with Downloader when necessary. Upload the APK from a trusted source, then install and verify permissions. Once installed, open the app, sign in, and adjust video quality and subtitles so streams match your bandwidth. If video won't play, restart the Firestick, clear the app cache, and reinstall. That sequence fixes most issues because it clears corrupted temporary data. If sideloading, make sure you trust the APK to avoid security risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.